I hope we catch a big one. Do you see it up there? I think so, near that big branch.
Wow, it's really high.
Look, I got one.
My turn, my turn.
Come on, let's race to the end of the path. I'm gonna win.
Not if I get there first.
Look, the water is moving.
Wow, it's like it's alive!
What's making it do that? Transcription. This is so relaxing.
Yeah, the sun feels great.
I could stay here all day. Look at this beautiful tomato.
This cucumber is so crunchy.
This watermelon is so juicy and sweet. I love summer.
Eat more, dear. You need to grow big and strong.
Okay, Grandma.